On Monday, Mr. Chicken and his cheeky little monkeys were learning about the environment. We live on planet Earth. We only have one planet, so we better look after it.
Remember, my little chickadees, leave no trace but a trail of kindness for Mother Nature to follow.
On Tuesday, Mr. Chicken invited his friend to class. Everybody say hello to Rita, the rainbow recycling snake.
You can just call me Rita,
said Rita, the rainbow recycling snake. On Wednesday, Jacob and Coco were playing outside when they heard a hissing sound. Rita looked really sad. What's wrong? Asked Coco.
Look at all of this trash. Nobody seems to care about reducing, reusing, and recycling anymore. There is so much litter.
Jacob and Coco didn't know what reduce, reuse, recycle meant. Rita explained to them. On Thursday, Jacob and Coco wanted to share what they had learned about reduce, reuse, and recycle with the class.
Reduce.
We can use less things so that we don't waste what we already have and throw it away.
Reuse.
We can use things again in a new way so that we don't need to throw it out.
Recycle.
When we throw out trash, we should throw it into the correct bin. This way, it can be easily recycled into something else. On Friday, Rita, Jacob and Coco cleaned up the whole playground. Great job! Rita bought some new recycling bins for the little monkeys to use. The playground was clean again. Mr. Chicken had a fantastic idea. He was so grateful for all of Rita's help that he decided to work all through the night to make a gift for her. On Friday, Mr. Chicken invited Rita back to class to receive her gift. A beautiful picture of Rita, the rainbow recycling snake. Rita loved it, especially as it was made from recycled material. Like and subscribe for more original Mr. Chicken stories. Go to www.mrchickenandfriends.com to see a very special secret episode where Grandpa Chicken comes to class.